Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Travis back again here at Big Boy Toy Reviews. And as usual, I always do a video of any unboxing that I have just in case things go wrong. Now, these in this box are the Broly's, all three Broly's from Beast Deities. Now, I want to say this box, albeit a relatively large box, by no means is this the biggest box I've ever had, but the weight is I would say maybe this box weighs 7 pounds, maybe something like that. Size and weight, this ain't $60 of shipping, largeness and heaviness. So 5Ktoys definitely gypped us on the shipping for these, because these are not that heavy and this box is not that big. I mean, for 3 figures, I guess you can say it's large for 3 figures, but that doesn't matter. The largeness of the figure boxes shouldn't have anything to do with the actual shipping. In certain cases they do. But in this particular case, this box isn't $60 in size. So I just want to point that out right now. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's flip this over. Flipped it over because apparently whoever packed this put the shipping label right over the place where you cut the damn box. Like, why do they do that? Why would they do that? So let's get this open. I'm trying to hold the camera and open this box at the same time. So let's see if I achieved anything. Okay. So let's take a look in here. All right, so bubble wrap. Basically bubble wrap. That's all that is in here, really. Obviously, where the label was the top, but I didn't open it that way. So let's go ahead and get all of these out. Now, they are large boxes. These are some big boxes. I get it, but $60 worth of weight that ain't it. So we got this one. We got the black and red. I don't know which is which yet. And then we have the white wolf, I guess. Looks like a white head there, but I don't know what color that is. So that's all 3 of the Broly's. Then we have all the heads and stuff. Now, I am not sure. So I got a refund for all the heads, the light up heads and stuff. So anybody know why we got refunds for those? I thought they weren't going to send it to me because maybe I thought I had made a payment on them, but I didn't. But I got a refund for them. So did anybody else get a refund for those heads? I don't know if this is the box for those heads, but it looks like it's different from the other boxes. So let's see what else we get in here. So this is one. This is another one. So so it's Z012, okay, all right. Z011, Z010, and then Z012. So this is a much bigger box than the other head boxes. And then we have all the hair boxes. I think these are all the hairs. So yeah, D012, D011, and D010. So, interesting. Anyway, that is all that is in this box. And so, obviously, I will be getting don't mind my couch. Sometimes I'll be sleeping on my couch. I will get a video of all these. My dog has to come over and sniff it. It's something new. But I will get a video of all of these going soon. Obviously, people have had their videos out, but I'm interested in taking a look at these guys. So anyway, that is it for the unboxing. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.